Guess the singer by emoji! We'll show you some tricky emoji clues, and your job is to figure out which artist they represent. Think you know your favorite stars? Let's find out! Can you figure out which singer these emojis point to? Cardi B. She's always bringing the energy. Who do you think this cool emoji combo is? Snoop Dogg, the smoothest rapper around. Guess the artist hidden in these emojis. Kanye West, known for his creativity and bold moves. Which rising star do these emojis represent? Ice Spice. She's heating up the rap game. Can you tell who's behind this emoji crown? Beyoncé, the Queen Bey herself. Which British singer do you see in these emojis? Dua Lipa, dancing her way across the world stage. Guess the pop star from these emoji hints. Taylor Swift, a true storyteller in music. These emojis spell out the name of a band. Which one? Maroon 5. Hitmakers are loved worldwide. Who do these unusual emojis remind you of? Billie Eilish, the queen of unique style. Save one song.
Monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a freak throw, man. I had to say goodbye, and I don't know.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet?
These beautiful things that I've got, please.
Which song is your favorite? Write in comment. Which rapper's name matches these emojis? Two Chainz, flashy and unforgettable. Who's the singer shown by this emoji set? Zayn, a voice that melts hearts. Can you work out which pop star this is? Katy Perry, always colorful and bold. Which late rapper do these emojis stand for? Juice WRLD, a legend gone too soon. Can you tell which artist is shown here? Post Malone, blending genres like no one else. These emojis point to a rap icon. Who is it? Lil Wayne, a pioneer in modern rap. Who's hiding behind these simple emojis? Pink, powerful voice and fearless spirit. This emoji set reveals a pop star. Who is she? Madison Beer. Sweet voice, rising fame. Which singer-dancer matches these emojis? Chris Brown. Known for smooth moves and hits. Save one song.
From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous
Till we weren't, built a home and watched it burn.
and not much coming out your mouth. Can't you tell that I want you? I say yeah.
That you understand I like it. Can you blow me?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Which famous K-pop group is this? Blackpink. Shining bright everywhere. Guess the group shown by these emojis. BTS. The global kings of K-pop. Which artist does this sweet emoji mix reveal? Jelly Roll. Blending country and rap vibes. These emojis point to a boy band. Can you guess? One Direction. Loved by millions. Who's this rapper hidden in emojis? Lil Baby. Atlanta's finest star. Which pop legend dances out of these emojis? Shakira. Her hips don't lie. Who do you see in this emoji riddle? Doja Cat. Always creative and bold. Guess the alternative band from these emojis. Glass Animals. Known for dreamy, cool vibes. Save one song.
From the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it.
In this world, it's just no need to take it slow. I'm stepping to you toe to toe.
and not much coming out your mouth. Can't you tell that I want you? I say yeah.
His new girlfriend's next. How I get out of me. 잘 오늘 밤이야. 난
Can you solve this rap legend emoji puzzle? Tupac. A voice that will never be forgotten. Which iconic girl group do these emojis represent? Spice Girls. Girl power forever. Guess the songwriter from these emojis. Ed Sheeran. Heartfelt ballads that touch us all. Which rock legends are shown here? Queen. Champions of music history. Which dreamy band fits these emojis? Coldplay. masters of uplifting melodies. Can you guess the star shining in this emoji set? Bruno Mars. Funky, smooth, and golden. Who's the Canadian star behind these emojis? Justin Bieber. From teen idol to superstar. These emojis hide a mysterious pop voice. Who is it? Sia. Powerful and always behind the curtain. Which rapper's name is revealed here? $50 Cent. A true hip-hop mogul. Who is represented by these shiny emojis? $24-karat gold N. Save one song.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. In a crowded room, you look so happy when I'm not. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. I told you I changed even when.
Like we always talked about, 'cause you were so excited.
Bank account number. That's that shit that's never getting bounced on your picture.
Cocaine and drink it with your friends. You live in the dark, boy, I cannot pretend.
Which song is your favorite? Write in comment. Guess the British singer from these emojis. Adele. Her voice gives us all goosebumps. Which rock band is hiding here? Imagine Dragons, masters of epic anthems. Who matches this playful emoji puzzle? Lil Pump. Loud, wild, and colorful. Which rap pioneer is shown here? Ice Cube. Straight out of Compton. These emojis hint at a fresh star. Who is it? Pink Pantheress. Soft, dreamy, and unique. Which heartthrob is hiding in these emojis? Shawn Mendes. Melting hearts everywhere. Guess the rapper with this colorful emoji code. (6ix9ine), known for his bold style. Which legendary band do these emojis show? The Beatles, icons who changed music forever. Who's the rapper hidden in these emojis? Pop Smoke, Drill's unforgettable star. Can you spot the superstar in these emojis? Drake, always topping the charts. That's the end of today's emoji quiz. How many singers did you guess right? Drop your score in the comments below and tell us which one stumped you the most. If you had fun, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome music quizzes. Until next time, keep the music playing and the emojis coming.